Yeah, we're here on the area inside. Oh, patay na ipit sa.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Good morning, beautiful people. Hi, ayan. So, mag-isa tayo ngayon. Alam niyo ba guys, kahapon pa masakit yung ulo ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Feeling ko nalipasan ako ng gutom. Basta mga 11:30 na siguro ako naka-breakfast. Naalala ko. Anyway, gupitan natin si Arya ng kuko. Ako lang ba guys, ganito yung pinapagupit kay Arya sa mga anak ko. Hindi ko talaga kaya ng nail cutter. May phobia ako until now. Anyway, nakwento ko na sa inyo yan dati. Wait lang. Hindi ko talaga kaya eh. Yes? It's okay, just few minutes. Few minutes only. Oh, what is this? Oh, please. See you. Oh, they're looking at you. Oh, no. Say hi to them.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Pinapag-cellphone ko siya guys para makakain ako. Tapos si Papa, as usual, nagtinda na kaagad. Namiss niya ang pagtinda ng ano. Namiss niya yung pagtitinda ng ano ng siomai. Sorry ito lang kasi nakita kong ulam. Hindi ako nakapagluto pa. Yung breakfast pa yan guys, itlog tsaka pinakas. Hindi ko alam anong pinakas sa Tagalog, pero ano siya, parang siyang dried fish, something. So, ayan, kain tayo.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground.
Bait na anak ko. Ready na yan siya. Suot niya yung t-shirt ko guys kasi wala na siyang susuotin na pantulog. So, matutulog na kami. Gising na si Al. Timplahan ko lang siya ng kape. Ganyan yung routine namin. Bago siya mag-start ng duty niya, titimplahan ko siya ng kape. I mean, bago ko patulugin yung mga bata. Kasi, hindi daw masarap kape niya pag siya ang nagtimpla. Char.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights.
Night-night na ate. Kiss ate,
Why
kiss.
does the rain always keep on
Night-night ate.
pouring?
Love ate, love. Love ate, love. Love.
Really makes me wonder.
He's laughing.
Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Ate kami, ate kami. Ate kami.
It really makes me wonder.
Dali na.
Ooh, I wonder.
You can do it. Ayan, kunyari nag-ano sila. Nag-hide and seek pa sila ni ate, pero papatulugin ko na yan siya kasi mahirap pa akyatin. Night-night na. Napagod ako, be. Nahapo ako, be. Basta walang exercise. Night.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's church day today. Another day. So, lahat kami ngayon magsisimba kasi last Sunday, hindi kami nakapag-church. So, look at mommy! Church na kami, guys. Cute na Aryan. Where's Aryan? Covering him. Tumigil sa loob. Ayaw niya mag-stay sa loob. Wiwi, ikaw, Wiwi. Wiwi muna siya, Wiwi. Here, Wiwi. Dali, ikaw.
Well, the Pharisees were shocked. The scribes were shocked. We studied the Testament. We have already wrote up all the laws. We tried to memorize them. We tried to follow them. We said, what are you doing, guys? What are you doing? Everything that is in the Old Testament is about me. Why Jesus is doing that?
2 hours later.
Is Daddy in the call?
I think so. Tapos na kami, guys. Lunch muna kami, lunch. Simot na, guys. Tapos na kami kumain.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of
Yeah, we're here on the area inside. Oh, patay na ipit sa... See? Oh, grabe, oh. Ice. Show me your finger. Ito yung naipit niya, eh. Ito ba? Ay, ito pala. Ito. Show me your finger. Oh, show them, guys. Oh, show. Ayan.
What if the world had
don't
more
touch.
of your smile?
Ayan. Kita nyo, guys. Pulang-pula. Ayan.
Spread your love.
Wait lang.
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Pasok sa bahay.
Maybe the birds will sing about your...
Hi guys, so ending this vlog. Anong tawag dito? Ayan. Okay na po si Aryan. Yung daliri niya medyo okay na. Nangitim lang ng onte. Kasi normally, hindi naman talaga naiipit yan si Aryan dyan. So, hindi ko inaakala na may ipit siya. Anyway, kung nakita niyo sa vlog, hinawakan ko yung pinto. Nahawakan ko pa actually yung pinto. So, kaya lang, naipit na pala siya dun sa loob talaga. So, ayan. But, thank God, kasi yun lang naman. So, now, namumula na lang yung daliri niya. Kasi inanong kaagad namin ng ice. So, ayan. Kawawa naman. Cute-cute niya. Nakakaano yung iyak niya. Anyway, nakakaawa lang yung itsura niya, diba? Kasi, pati si Alp na taranta. Sa pag-ano niya. Buti na lang hindi yung bilog niyang daliri. Isang daliri lang talaga naipit. Anyway, thank God that everything is okay now. Anyway, yun lang guys. End ko na tong vlog. Thank you all so much for watching mga besh. Tomorrow, magiging busy kami tomorrow kasi bibili kami ng ticket ni Alp. I'm so happy. Finally, makaka-start na siya. Anyway, basta I will give you the full details sa next vlog ko. Yes, about it. So, yun lang guys. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless everyone. Stay positive all the time. And we'll see you next vlog. Bye!
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here?